Okay, hello, my dear audience. So, in our next segment now, we are going to be looking at the calculations on the general gas law. In our previous lesson, we talked about the general gas law. I will say the formulas you can use in solving questions is P1V1 over T1 equals to P2V2 over T2, or can still use PV equals to nRT, depending on nature. So, let's take an example. We'll take one example that will use this method, and another example we're going to use this method. So maybe let's example one. Let us say that maybe at 27 degrees Celsius, comma, the pressure and volume of a fixed mass of gas are 600 millimeter mercury and 40 cm cube. Full stop. They now say them calculate the volume. Calculate the volume. Yes, calculate the volume when the temperature and pressure are doubled are doubled. So let's take it this side. So let's look at it. Now the temperature must be in Kelvin. So at 27 degrees Celsius, that means T1 is equals to 27 degrees Celsius. And temperature in degrees Celsius, to take it to Kelvin, you add 273. So plus 273. That will be 300 Kelvin. Then what do we have again here? We have a pressure P1. It is 600 millimeter of mercury. Then we have a volume V1, 40 cm cube. Then the question says calculate the volume. That means we're not looking for V2. Calculate the volume when the temperature and pressure are doubled. The pressure and the temperature are doubled. So the temperature here is 300. So T2 is going to be 2T1, which will be 300 times 2, which will be 600 Kelvin. Then we have pressure. P2 will be 2P1, which is 600 times 2, which will be 1,200 millimeter mercury. Then we'll state our formula for general gas, the general gas law, which will be P1V1 over T1 equals to P2V2 over T2. So the P1 is 600, V1 is 40, then the T1 is 300, P2 is 1,200, V2, I don't know V2, so I can keep it here, V2, all over T2. T2 is 600. It will be very easy. Yeah, so here, these two zeros will cancel these two zeros. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2. So 2 times 40 is going to give me 80. Here, these two zeros will cancel these two zeros. And 6 here will be 1, 6 here will be 2. So that will be what? 2V2. So I'm looking for V2. What is stopping V2 is 2. So I'll divide here by 2. I'll divide here by 2. So this cancels this. So my V2 is going to be 80 divided by 2 will be 40 cm cube. Thanks for watching my video.